one of our first video on this platform called code.org. So here we've already completed a fun game. It is where there is a dragon image, which is the player, and there is also a dinosaur image. Now the dinosaur image will shoot random blue fireballs while our dragon will shoot random red fireballs. So our job is to avoid the blue fireballs and to make the red fireballs hit the dinosaur. Should we run and find out? So as you can see, this is a two-player game with additional sounds, and there's a blue fireball and a red fireball, just like I said. See, so if the red fireball hits the blue fireball, then we get a point. But if I touch the blue fireballs, then I'll lose a point. But if I just touch the dinosaur, I could also lose a point. So it's a hard game, I suppose, which is what makes it good. And it's also very good. Okay, so now let's go into the code. So these are the codes that sets the image. So I could just make it a different image, like for example a dog and a cat's image. Good. To a cat and a dog. Yeah, I could just make it like that. But please put it into a dragon and a dinosaur image, like I did. So first is move factor. Okay, so now this is never mind. So forever, repeat forever do. That means you keep repeating forever. Set random backdrop and wait for 5 seconds, and then you repeat again. You keep repeating. So this is basically the moving. Left arrow, move vector 50 pixels, stuff like that. Move vector up, right, and there's the one actor. Wait, no. So when down arrow depress, move actor 1 down, and when actor 1 touches actor 4, play lose point 2, which is a sound, and remove point 2 and wait for 1 second. So and then repeat forever. Move actor 4 random for 400 pixels. 400 pixels is the fastest, which is why I put 400 pixels. Maybe I should put random pixels. Yeah, I should. Though maybe I shouldn't. So basically it's your choice. So 50 is faster, 100 is faster than 50, and 200 is faster than, well, yeah, you get it. But if you want random, you can just press random. So this is the code where it makes them throw the fireball. These are both fireball, but you can make it, well, yeah, any way you want. And yep, this is also random. But I have to say, it's a bit inconvenient though. So why don't I just make it, for example, when I do up arrow, we just do actor 1 throw red fireball up. And let me duplicate this. Down arrow, throw red fireball down. And there's also the right arrow key pressed. And duplicate this. After one, throw red fireball right. And then one left arrow key press. Then after one, throw left fireball left. See and find. So that's how it works now. So I suppose we've covered about everything. See you next time. See you in the next video. Bye.